Hello, it's Lee Hustle here and welcome to Guyscliffe Farm, Combe. So welcome to Guyscliffe Farm, and this is a magnificent property set in the heart of the North Devon countryside. There's fantastic views in every direction here. So Guyscliffe Farm comprises a 4-bedroom detached main family home. We've got a separate 2-bedroom ancillary newly created lodge, which is fantastic additional accommodation for a dependent relative, or possibly even for holiday letting or permanent letting if that is your desire. We've also got a fantastic huge barn. Plenty of storage there, or it could be perfect for workshops or a variety of different purposes. On top of all of that, we've got a little campsite and 25 acres, and of course the magnificent countryside all the way around. So we're now up at the newly created lodge building. Now this is a fantastic addition to the property and it provides a lot of extra accommodation. So perfect again for the dependent relative or for extended family. Now as you can see, of course, this property also enjoys the incredible views just like the main house. There's 2 bedrooms in here, a fantastic kitchen dining room, a lounge, a separate snug come TV room, and lovely ensuite bathrooms too. Guyscliffe Farm sits in 25 acres of land approached via its own long sweeping driveway. There's an abundance of privacy here and the elevated location takes full advantage of those stunning views. Now the land is suitable for a variety of different purposes. It's ideal for small animals such as sheep, chickens, a small pony maybe. Within the land there's also a campsite, and the campsite's got 6 electric hookup points, and there's also a shower block and changing facilities here as well. Also on the land there's a huge barn, and the barn is ideal for a variety of purposes such as a workshop or for storage. There's a woodland walk throughout the land as well, which really adds to the atmosphere of the property. Don't forget, all surrounded by these amazing views of the countryside and the sea. So there we go, that's Guyscliffe Farm, Combe, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, a really fantastic property with so much to offer. So don't delay, come and view this one now. Give us a call on 01 271 869 112. Many thanks.